This is all gonna look nice and sharp when it's all said and done. But now, we're gonna show you the shop. Welcome to the new shop. We are here at White Glove Auto's new location. We got plenty of renovations still left to do. We are putting up a new drywall. We got our big wall cut out for our vinyl room. There's still so much to do in here. Let's walk you through it. How's it going, man? Cheeseburger. I just asked him what's going on, and his response was cheeseburger. Why is he just randomly saying cheeseburger? All right, we'll be right back. The last time we showed you guys the shop, we walked behind this wall to show you that room. Now the wall is completely taken out. This is gonna be an extension of our shop. We're gonna be getting this room fitted to be a vinyl wrap room. That's at least the plan right now. The other thing is, if you look down, you'll see epoxy floors on where I'm standing right now. This room does not have epoxy floors. It is just concrete. They're gonna be filling this room with epoxy to match the rest of the shop, so it'll all kind of tie in, and I can't wait for this room. It's gonna be really cool. The other big thing that was done so far is all the sheetrock is up in the shop. You guys can see how high it's gonna be going. It's much higher than it was previously, so it's all up everywhere. They still have a lot of work to do before they can paint this. They have to mud it, they gotta sand it, but that's all in the works now. We got started on the shop walls. The other big thing that we're gonna be replacing is these garage doors. They will be electronic doors as well, so we'll have a little switch for them. These things probably weigh like 7 pounds. Yeah, 7 pounds a piece for sure.
You sure about that?
You saw it move, right? It moved. I think they're missing something. Cheeseburger. I don't know, I just worked it. So all this stuff here, these are all our lifts that are gonna be going up. We have 2 big lifts that are gonna be placed in these back corners behind the camera. And then we're gonna have, I think 3 or 4 scissor lifts that we'll be able to move around the shop where we need it. So I'm really excited for all this stuff to go up. Obviously, this will be the last thing that goes up once the shop's complete. Really excited though, it's gonna be a lot more lifts than what we have at the current shop, which is a huge upgrade. For the customers coming here, they'll get their cars up in the air. We'll be able to see them better, work on them easier, and then it's definitely better for everyone working here in the shop as well. Another huge thing that we can't wait to see how it turns out is gonna be when they paint this entire room. Everything in here is gonna be painted gloss white. We're talking the drywall, we're talking about the insulation above the drywall, the ceiling, entire room is gonna be really, really shiny. It's gonna help us do our work a lot better, and it's gonna look way more professional. I can't wait till it's all done. It's gonna look sick. Yeah, no, something's definitely missing. Cheeseburger. All right guys, so the last update we have right now is we're gonna be changing out some of the concrete outside here behind the shop. So the cars coming in and out of the shop don't have to drive through a bunch of bumpy stuff or have issues with their tires or anything like that. Just kind of clean it up. It looks a lot nicer, more presentable. And that's what we got outside so far.
2 weeks later.
Hold on, fixing my mic. All right guys, we are back at the shop. It is 2 weeks later from the last clip you guys saw. I am standing in a big open hole that they made in my office. This will help me see out into the shop and make it a little bit easier so we don't have to keep walking around because this building is bigger. A couple of updates we got so far. They made a lot of progress since the last video we made. So let's go take a look and see what we got. So we're getting the break room all set. Still a bunch of things to do on it. The entire wall was cut out. This way it'll be an open look to it, kind of right through the shop to the break room. Get a lot more light and we can talk to each other a little bit easier. All right, so last time we were here, we had the old crappy garage doors in, and now we got guys up there on the lift. They are putting in the new garage doors. It looks like this one's done already. Much nicer garage doors, something this place really needed and is getting fixed. So last time we were here, we just saw drywall hanging up everywhere, really unfinished, not all the way there. Now they got all the mudding done. You're good, do your thing. Anyway, not all the walls are done yet. There's still one piece. Hey look, I knew there was something off about that. All right, so an update in here. I'm actually seeing this for the first time with you guys right now. We just got the ceilings put in, and this is a lot cleaner look. I don't know where the lighting is gonna be yet. We'll find out. It's gonna look good though, I bet you that. It's all coming together. They got guys in every room here getting this place ready for us. Our move-in time is in 2 weeks. We have 2 weeks to get this place ready. I say we, I'm not helping here at all. All right, now we're gonna head back to the front of the shop. Let's see what changes we got over there. Nice. All right, so we do have a big update in here. We knocked out half of this wall in this room. There was a little door, I believe, right in here. It looks like it was right here. I think the goal is still to set this up to be kind of a waiter area for customers while they wait in their vehicles, or they want to look around, look through some samples that we have, color samples. I don't know what the finished product's gonna look like, but I do know that this wall was taken out to give it a bigger look. So everything's well on its way, man. Everything's looking good. I hope you guys like it so far. All right, guys, that's all the updates we have right now. Stay tuned for our next video. You guys are gonna wanna see it. We're gonna be moving in. Shop's gonna be completed. We're gonna have a fun time moving in. Everyone's gonna be helping out. We got a bunch of people coming. We'll see you next time. Cheeseburger.